Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T21 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on security. After that, scroll down again, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Then choose Setup Face Unlock, click on Start, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now select Done at the bottom right corner. After that, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!